Welcome to Scholars Tutorial. Let's solve another CubeNet question step by step. We are given a CubeNet showing 6 faces with different symbols: a target symbol, circle, crescent, arrow, a dot pad, and a monitor icon. When we fold the cube, the target symbol is opposite the crescent, the circle is opposite the monitor icon, and the arrow is opposite the dot pattern. In option B, the circle, the crescent, and the arrow faces all touch each other's exactly as they do when the cube is folded. The directions of all symbols match perfectly. In option A, the circle and the monitor icon appears next to each other, but they are in the opposite face. In option B, the target symbol and the crescent appears next to each other, but they are opposite faces. In option C, the crescent and the target symbol appear next to each other, but they are on the opposite faces. And in option E, the monitor icon and the circle are shown next to each other, but they are on the opposite faces. So the correct answer is option D. Keep practicing more CubeNet questions only on Scholars Tutorial. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.